The Australian Grand Prix has kicked off the 2019 season, but before we see what this means for the world of Formula One, let's have a recap. But before we get started, I'd just like to say welcome to Veloce Motoren. We make content about Formula One, Formula E, hypercars and planes. So if you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Valtteri Bottas won the first race of the season and the fastest lap of the race, meaning that he has 26 points. His teammate Hamilton came second, meaning that Mercedes scored a 1-2 and are currently leading the Constructors' Championship. Verstappen takes the last step of the podium. Next were the two Ferraris, Vettel and Leclerc respectively. Magnussen was best of the rest and came 5th. Hulkenberg came 6th with Raikkonen coming next. Lance Stroll comes 9th and Kvyat finishes up the points. Carlos Sainz's McLaren was set on fire, Haas messed up the pit stop again, and Ricciardo retired the car from his home Grand Prix. And that is the recap. Time for the predictions. Unfortunately, the predictions for the rest of the season aren't great. Mercedes won by a ridiculous time gap, which means that they'll probably win this year's championship. The most we can hope for at this rate is that Ferrari or Red Bull improve by a ridiculous margin. Or maybe a few mechanical failures. That's all our predictions for the 2019 Australian Grand Prix. What do you think will happen for the 2019 season? Let us know in the comments below and thanks for watching.